Here we are. Good morning, you guys. It's PK here with Out of the Box. It's a little after 7 o'clock on Wednesday. You see we're going to be facing a big opening down. ES is down about 50. We'll call the NQ down about 200. I see a lot of red out there. I would call it the Red Sea. Anyway, the name of the show is, we do real fast, it's called Set It and Forget It. And let me just give you a little introduction. From my notes. Look at this stupid thing. Okay. You know, back in my day, back in PK's day, you know, when, kind of in the beginning of cable TV, maybe in the middle of cable TV, they used to run a lot. They still have some of these, but not as common. They had a lot of these infomercials where people are selling stuff. They make it look like a news, like a legitimate program, but it's really a news they're trying to sell something. And one of the great people who's always selling kitchen products was this guy named Ron Popeil. I'm sure you can look him up on the computer. You'll see, maybe some of you are from my age. Hopefully you're not my age, but whatever. You remember this guy. He was very good and great in front of the camera. And he came up with this catchphrase, set it and forget it. Like, he had some, I think it was some type of a baking thing where you put your food in, stick it in the oven or the microwave, in the oven, set it and forget it, and they had all the audience repeat after him. It was something very, very, very funny. But he was a great salesperson. Anyway, so the question is, how does this relate to the trading? How can we use this catchphrase, set it and forget it? And I want to tell you how it applies. Look, when you're going for a big win, you're a longer term trader, whether it's in a stock or in a future, you're trying to hold it longer. Let's step away from the short term day trading or short term swing trading, but let's say you're really trying to hold it. And I really like this because, one, after you pick the direction of the stock, you think it's going to go much higher or lower if you want to go short, is you take your position, right, and then put your stop in. Remember, you want to place the correct stop, the right stop, as I want to tell you. And this is again an art, percentage of your capital, something like this, but we're not going to go into that detail. And then C, you want to hold it, and D, walk away. Don't watch the screens. Don't watch the news. Forget about the financial channels. Don't pay attention. You want to do what Ron Popeil said, which is set it and forget it. And just stick with it. Follow your conviction. And this is the way you're going to really make a lot of money on your stock, on your future, whatever the prediction is. For you option traders, sorry, this is not for options. Options, again, I'll tell you over and over again, this takes the most skill. It's a whole different trading technique and style. So anyway, we want to use set it and forget it. It's a great catchphrase. It really applies to trading, especially for you long-term, quote-unquote, investors, or if you were trying to make a lot of money on a particular trade. This is really the best approach. Set it and forget it. Don't watch the screen. Don't watch the news. Take that Wall Street Journal. If I had a light, I'd burn it up. Don't read this stuff. It's only going to screw up your mind, as I told you before. As you see me throwing my trading books. I don't have it right now. It's too late in the morning to be doing this thing. Anyway, so this PK, out of the box. Let's take a look. Again, we have a big down day. Let's see what's going to happen. I feel the market's in a downtrend, but they could rally it. Who the hell knows? Remember, we're all wrong 40 to 60% of the time. So, but it's not looking so good. Dow down 300. Remember, it hasn't even begun yet. It started in Asia, got weaker. And anyway, so that's it. Let's see what goes down today. So let's listen. Bottom line, let's all make some money. Is PK with Out of the Box? Set it and forget it. Ciao, you guys.